My name is Ted McGrath, and today I'm going to show you how you can build whatever DIY project you want without spending days or months looking for a plan or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you. It might sound crazy, but you'll see for yourself how you can build anything out of wood easily without a large workshop or expensive tools. In just a few short minutes, you'll get access to the world's largest collection of woodworking plans for every type of project imaginable. Just a bit of fair warning, I can only leave this presentation up for a limited time. I had to agree to limit how many people I reveal this resource to, so this may be the only time you're ever able to access this. So stop whatever you're doing right now and pay close attention. If you've worked on any project, you're most likely aware of the time and effort required for it, and it can get frustrating. I'm talking about times when you have to wing it or follow free plans you found online. The truth is, most plans on the internet and magazines are garbage. Here's why. Most of the plans are not detailed enough. They have missing steps or inaccurate measurements, and the pictures don't match what they're telling you. Their instructions leave out vital information, assuming that you are experienced enough to fill in the blanks. Even worse, many plans from magazines assume you're a master craftsman with access to expensive tools. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. The truth is, I have spent lots of time and money buying magazines and plans. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. I decided to change all that. So to solve the problem, I've spent the last 20 years putting together a resource that is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It is my personal library of over 16,000 plans for every project you can imagine. There are thousands of projects in this package, years of work, all compiled into the single largest woodworking database in the world.
If you want to know everything about Teds Woodworking, if the program is really good, if it has a money-back guarantee, stay with me until the end of the video because I will clarify all your doubts. But first of all, I can already tell you that the program is excellent. There is nothing like it on the market. Pleasure. My name is Brian, and the first important information is that Teds Woodworking is a program that is making a huge success, and I want to leave a very important alert about it because many people are taking advantage of its fame to sell fake programs in other sites that is not the official site. And this is something very serious and that you need to pay attention to not end up being damaged, and to help you I will leave here in the video description the official site of Teds Woodworking for you to access safely. The program was created by Ted McGrath, a master, certified woodworker and trainer, absolute reference in the area. Teds Woodworking is the largest collection in the world, providing incredible 16,000 woodworking plans. But the secret is that the program teaches absolutely simple ways to accomplish all this, no matter what your current skill level is. It will teach you step by step in a simple and didactic way. There are more than 500,000 extremely satisfied customers with the program, because there is nothing else like it on the market. Teds Woodworking is something unique. You will receive instant access to all 16,000 projects, lifetime free monthly plans, 150 premium woodworking videos, and a complete guide with more than 200 exclusive pages. Another important piece of information is that Teds Woodworking has a 60-day money-back guarantee. Exactly that. If during 60 days of use you don't like the program for any reason, you will get all your money back. Just send an email with no questions asked and you will get your money back immediately. This is more than a guarantee, this is a promise, so that your investment is absolutely risk-free. 24-hour support is also provided all week long. So yes, you can trust the product, because Teds Woodworking is good. Unlike anything else on the market, it will provide you with amazing projects that can be realized in a simple and practical way. All customers have had excellent results with the program, and so will you. So, I prepared this video first to inform you about the care regarding the site you are going to buy Teds Woodworking. Also, if you buy the program, study well the projects and the amazing classes, because you will be able to start quickly and operate successfully. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I am sure that Teds Woodworking will satisfy you completely.
Most people fall in love with woodworking because it challenges them. From different types of wood, tools, glues, and finishes to various techniques and styles, there's a vast sea of knowledge to explore in the field of woodworking. Only the right combination of design and execution can give you satisfactory results. Wooden crafts are satisfying projects you can do with scrap wood. There are several projects you can do in just a single weekend. DIY wooden crafts allow your personality to shine and keep you excited. They will give you happiness and smile on your face when you walk through the front door and see your wooden creations. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden craft and scrap wood projects ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Your handmade wooden crafts should be functional, stylish, and of course comfortable. When you use your wooden crafts as home decor accessories, they should grab your attention the moment they catch your eye. You want to astonish your guests and yourself with every trip home. Wooden plant stands or wooden bases are just a portion of the wooden craft ideas you can use to decorate your home or office. Wooden crafts have several advantages over other materials such as plastics or metals. There are numerous types of wooden crafts for you to choose from for your next home decor venture. If you don't have any idea about woodworking, you can take some classes and get accustomed to the basic tools and techniques. Woodworking classes typically focus on how to select wood for projects, how to use common tools and different techniques for shaping and joining wood. Courses also emphasize safety so that students can avoid injuries. Your instructor will provide many woodworking tips as you learn. Because of its natural cellular structure, wood has a higher insulation rating than both steel and plastic. This means that homes and buildings require less energy to maintain heating and cooling. Plus, wood can help regulate humidity levels to a small degree. Thus, it is better to have more wooden items in your home or office than those items made from other materials. Wood is a natural and renewable raw material and plays a very important role as a building material. Using of wood reduces the release of carbon dioxide back to the atmosphere, as it remains stored in the lumber since trees bind carbon dioxide in their wood as they grow. Woodworking doesn't just help you build skills that make you a better tradesperson. Many of the skills transfer to other areas of your life and make you a better human overall. Woodworking is an excellent hobby for forgetting the stress of the day as you immerse yourself in an activity you enjoy. Working with your hands also has been shown to help reduce stress and improve overall wellness.